कृत्वर्थमात्मविज्ञानम् स्वतन्त्रं वात्मनो यतः देहातिरेकमज्ञात्वा न कुर्यात् क्रतुगं ततः नाद्वैतधिकर्म हेतुः अन्ति प्रत्युत कर्मसा आचारो लोकसंग्राही स्वतंत्र ब्रह्मधीस्ततः
Pura Paksha says Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana is karma. Because karma and all the upasanas are going on, so therefore it is something related to karma. No independent result. So far he said, no, it is independent, it has independent result, nothing to do with the karma. Atma Vijnanam Kratvartham. Is it meant for the yaga, etc. karma? Means is it karma? You know the word kratvartham. For the sake of kratu, yaga means karma. Va, swatantram. Is it independent which gives the result? Now, Pura Paksha. Yataha atmanaha dehatirekam ajñātva na kuryāt. See, without knowing Atma to be different from the body, karmas cannot be done. Why? When you do the karma, when the result is going to come? Hereafter. Hereafter means if body is Atma, it is of no use. Body is destroyed. So that means Atma is different from body. And therefore the knowledge that Atma is different from the body is necessary. That is for Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana. That's all. But result who gives? Karma. Yaga. So therefore it says, Atmanaha, without knowing Atma as distinct from the body, na kuryāt, one should not take to karma, means nobody does karma. Nobody does karma. Tataha, therefore, says kratugam. Kratugam means related to kratu. It's anga or kratu. Answer comes Siddhanta. Advaita dihi karma hetu runa. Advaita dihi, Advaita Jnana, Nirguna Brahma Jnana, karma hetu means. It is not a means to take to karma. On the contrary, do you know, pratyuta, on the contrary, sa means Advaita dihi, karma hanti. It destroys the karma, it is opposed to karma. Because karta himself is gone when the karma is. So karma hanti. Then if that is the case, many jnanis are seen to be working, doing karma, like Janaka, etc. For that answer is given. It is for loka sangraha, for the good of the humanity. Achara means the conduct of jnanis like Janaka, etc. Janaka, Ashwapati, all this. So, loka sangrahi is for what? Loka sangraha, for the good of the humanity. See, tataha, therefore, Brahmadhihi Satantra. Brahmadhi independently gives the result of moksha, and it is not a karma. Purusharthaha ataha shabdaditi badarayana ataha purusharthaha iti shabdat iti badarayana shabda ataha purusharthaha iti badarayana shabda. Ataha here is not therefore. From this, what is that from this? Asmat Upanishad Jnana Swatantra. From this Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana revealed in the Upanishad, which is independent from that knowledge, Purushartha, here Purushartha context by Parama Purushartha, Moksha and Siddhyati. Iti means Anena Prakarena, in this manner, Badarayanaha Acharyaha Manyate, add that Acharyaha Manyate. Badarayanaha Acharyaha Manyate. So considers the Badarayana Acharya. So Badarayana, Vyasa himself considers. Why he has not put his name? But I am telling you, in Sutra you can't bring I, you and all those things. So that's why he has to say Badarayana. Sutra has one certain rules. You can't just be lavish. Kutaha? How come? Shabda. So many Shrutis are there. Sarati Shokam Atma is Shabda mein Shruti. Because of so many Shrutis, Atma mein to Shokam Tarati. So Jnani, Atma Jnani, gets free from samsara, sorrow. So take caption, Siddhanta. Parama Purushartha is gained by Atma Vidya, Brahma Vidya only. To this, Pura Paksha objects, Pratyavati confronts. Or Pura Paksha objects to this. Sheshatvad Purusharthavadaha Yatha Anneshu iti Jaiminihi. Take a note up to 7, all are Pura Paksha Sutras. Take Anvaya. Sheshatvad Yatha Anneshu Purusharthavadaha iti Jaiminihi. Acharyaha and Manyati and Acharyaha Manyati. Sheshatva Yatha Anneshu iti Anneshu not iti Purusharthavadaha iti Jaiminihi and Acharyaha. Sheshatva Atma Jnana being Karma is the Anga of Karma. Because when who does a Karma? Yajamana. Some information about him is required or not. So who is that Yajamana, etc. That is given by who? Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana. So that is saying, who is the Karta? Jiva. Jiva means who? Atma. So therefore, Atma as a Karta becomes Karmanga. Is it not? First tell me, Yajamana is Karmanga or not? Yes. Means Atma, here the Yajamana is taken as Atma, Jiva, say Karmanga. Therefore, so through Karta Yajamana, Atma Jnana becomes a Karmanga. So just as Yajamana is Karta, is Karmanga, so any information about him also is Karmanga. So that way. See, Sheshatva, just as like that. Parnamayi Juhu. You use the Yajna Patra made up of Palasha. So like this. So like this. So this is only Anga there. So also this is Anga. Sheshatva. Shesha here is Angatva. See, Anne Yatha Sheshatva Yatha Anneshu. Yatha Anneshu, as in the case of what? Yatha means by the way, Anneshu, just as Dravya Samskara in the Karma. So again, Anneshu, see, there are certain Shrutis which give some phala. You may ask them phala, Tarati Shokam Akam, etc. This is the phala, secondary phala for Arthava. For example, one who takes the Parnamayi Juhu, he doesn't hear censure about him. He doesn't hear censure about him. It's only Arthavada. Result is by what? Karma only. So like that, Anneshu यथा अन्येषु means as a in dravya samskara karmasu, in the karmas where dravya samskara etc. some different independent result is told like apapadi padashruti, that he doesn't hear sensual blame about him etc. like that. Purusharthavadaha, whatever you pointed out now, Saraswati Shokamatma etc. is only Arthavada with respect to Purusha, who is Karmanga, so Purushartha Vada. Iti, so Jaimini Acharya Manyate, Jaimini Acharya, that's take caption, Purapaksha, Atma Jnana is Karma Sambandhi. Next sutra, Achara Darshana.
Achara Darshana
is like this. Take Ratna Prabha, line 3. You are telling that karma has nothing to do with the Brahma Jnana. But have you seen the conduct of some Jnanis like Janaka, Ashwapati, who are Brahma Jnanis, but they were doing karma? That means karma is anga for Brahma Jnana. So that's why I say, Brahma Vida, line 3, Ratna Prabha, the last phrase, Brahma Vidam Karmachara Darshanam Brahmaya Vidyayaha Karmangatve Lingam Ityaha Achara Sutra. Brahma Jnana is like Janaka etc. who are doing karma. It's a linga evidence proof that karma is, that is the Atma Jnana is karmanga. 9th line. Sincha Janakadinam Vidyasah Karmacharana Darshana. Janaka, Ashwapati, etc. are seen to take to karma along with Brahma Jnana. Na kevalaya vidya moksha heti. Mere this Brahma Vidya itself is not the means for moksha. Ataha sahavishtanam samuchaya. Together practice of karma and vidya, that is Atma Jnana. Vidyayaha swatantrya bhavena. Atma Jnana has no independence whatsoever in giving the result. Karmangatve linga vidyaha. Evidence proof that it is karma. Achara darshana. Achara, conduct. Darshana. So Janaka, Ashwapati, etc.'s conduct shows that karma is anga of Brahma Jnana is anga of karma. That is what I say. Achara darshan. That's for what? Brahma Jnana is karmanga, that you have to conclude. Take caption. Purapaksha. There is evidence that Jnanis also were doing karma. Purapaksha. There is evidence that Jnanis also were doing karma. Sutra 3 and Tashrutehe. Now again, Shruti is there. What is that? Karma done with knowledge. You see, Vidya, he takes as knowledge, Atma Jnana. Vidya is Upasana. You see the Shruti quotation is there. Karma done with Upasana. No, you have to take a Jnana. It says it gives more result. Balavatta, it becomes powerful. What does it mean? Karma should be done with the Jnana. But that Vidya is Upasana and not the Atma Jnana, but Purapaksha takes it as it. So that is Tashrutehe. Shrutis are there to the effect to show that karma done with Jnana gives more result, more powerful. Take the caption. Purapaksha. There is Shruti that Vidya is Karma Shesha. There is Shruti that Vidya is Karma Shesha. Sutra 4 ends. Because of this reason also, Brahma Vidya is not independent in giving moksha. Samanvarambhana. That is, both Vidya and Karma are always said, they are described together like this. When the person dies, it is said to follow him. You know, who are they? Vidya and Karma. Means result of upasanas and karma following. Otherwise, other two. Papa and Punya. Now, we are only Punya is taken. From that standpoint, in Punya, who follows? Vidya and Karma. Upasana and Karma means Upasana Phala and Karma Phala. So, this Sahitya Darshana together mention is there, and therefore it says, so together mention of Vidya and Karma in giving the Phala, and therefore also Vidya is Karma. Vidya is Karma. Caption: Pura Paksha. Shruti stating Vidya also gives Phala with the help of Karma. Shruti, this is evidence. Shruti is stating that Vidya, also Vidya keep Vidya, because he wants Vidya as well Atma-jnana, which is actually Upasana, gives Phala with the help of Karma. With the help of Karma, Sutra 5 ends. Another lingua is told. So that is that. Tadvataha vidhana. Tadvataha vidhana. Now tell me, a brahmachari goes to Gurukula. What for? Study Vedas. Vedas or complete Vedas. Maybe he Shakha, but complete Vedas. Tell me, Upanishads are there or not?
Yes.
And then he completes the thing, Samavartana, concluding ceremony of his studies. And then he said, go, get a good girl, get married, lead a pure life, and find a pure place, etc., and do the adhyana, and do all karmas. Whom this is told by Shruti? One way studied Upanishad. So that means Upanishad knowledge itself is not sufficient, you have to do karma. Who was told by this? By Shruti. This is told by Shruti. So therefore, Tadvidhana, we'll see those Shruti statements in the Bhashya itself. Caption, Purapaksha, karma is enjoined only to the one who has Atma-jnana. Purapaksha, karma is enjoined only to the one who has Atma-jnana. Sutra 6 end. Sutra 7 Niyamacha. Niyamacha. He says there is a rule. Shruti mandate is there. What is it? So long as you live your full lifespan, live by doing karma. Ishavasya. Line 5 from bottom Nyaya Nirnaya. Niyamam vibhajati kurvanniti. Bhashya is introducing kurvanneva karmani, Bhashya question. Niyama was told because the rule. What is the rule? Vibhajati, it shows. Actually, vibhajati to distinguish, divide, or open a box. Here, like open a box, he opens now. In Sutra, he told in nutshell, divide niyama. What is that niyama? He shows this is the niyama. Kurvanneva. This is the 6 Purapaksha Sutras are over. First was Siddhanta, then the Purapaksha, Now Siddhanta comes to justify whatever that was already established by answering one by one these sutras. One by one these sutras are picked up and answer is in Nyanaya continues. Purapaksham anudya siddhantayati evamiti. Purapaksham anudya, having restated the Purapaksha, siddhantayati. Siddhanta is being given, so that is evamiti. Continue.
एवं प्राप्ते प्रतिविधत्ते
एवं प्राप्ते. So when Purapaksha is so, Pratividhatte, Sutrakara refutes, Pratividhatte refutes. Who refutes? Sutrakara. Sutra Adhikopadeshattu Bhadarayanasya Evam Taddarshana. Take Anvaya. Tu Adhikopadeshat Evam Bhadarayana Taddarshana. Actually, after Bhadarayana, you have to add a lot of things. You can add like this. Yat matam Bhadarayana, not Bhadarayana. Bhadarayana says Bhadarayanasya yat matam tat tatha eva avasthitam. Bhadarayanasya yat matam tat tatha eva avasthitam. Tad darshana. Continue. Tad darshana. Two is to Purapaksha nirasa. Refute the Purapaksha. Say, what is that Purapaksha? Whatever Purapakshi has told that Atma Jnana is Karmanga. Say, why? Because Phala Shunya, there is no Phala on account of Atma Jnana, and therefore it is Karmanga. This Purapaksha is wrong. Here, second sutra is taken. Sheshatva. That is not correct. How? What is the reason? Adhikopadesha. Adhikasya upadesha. What is that adhika? Adhikopadesha. Adhikasya upadesha. What is that adhika? Adhikasya means abhoktuhu brahmana. Adhika means one is plus. Something superior. The one who is superior, who is that Abhukta Brahma, superior to whom? Jiva Samsarina. Jiva Samsarina. So that is Samsarina Jiva Adhikasya. So that is Jiva who is Samsari, who is Adhikasya. Akartuhu, one way Akarta. Not only Akarta, one way Abhokta. One way is not Samsari. The Brahmana Upadesha. What is Upadesha? Vedanteshu Katana. So that is what is told in that Vedanta Katana. Meaning, what is unfolded in Vedanta is a Samsari Ishvara Parabrahma distinct from Jiva as it obtains. Paramakata true. And that Jiva is realizing Brahma, that is what is pointed out. It is not something dealing with Jiva as it is. So therefore, what is to be resorted in Vedanta is Chinmatra Ashrayam. It is only Chaitanya Swarupa, Atma only has to be resorted. And in that manner, Bhadarayanasya yat matam. From that standpoint, the mata, whatever that means, that was put forward by who? Bhadarayana Acharya. Sutra 341. Tat tatha eva. It is so, it remains so. Tatha eva avasthitam means it holds good. It holds good. And you can't say that in Upanishads That is, Adhika Brahma is not told because Tad Darshana. Many Shruti statements are there. Yaha Sarvajnaha Sarvavid Bhisha Asmadvata Pavati. Can your Jiva be Sarvajna Sarvavid? He forgets his name also. So that is Yaha Sarvajnaha Sarvavid. Whereas this person forgets his name also as such. How can he be? Bhisha Asmadvata Pavati. So wind, if one cyclone comes, you can understand what happens. The wind, what will be? That wind, Vayu, is afraid of him. And this fellow is afraid of cockroach. So how can this Jiva be Tad Darshana? So that is that Tad Darshana. Shruti has told that is to the effect that this is Brahma, which is a Swarup of Jiva, distinct from Samsari Jiva. Take caption. Siddhanta Sutra. Shruti describes Atma distinct from Jiva. Next page, Sutra 8 end. Siddhanta Sutra. Shruti describes Atma distinct from Jiva. Sutra end. Now, third sutra. Achara. Janaka Ashopati's Achara was told. So now I say, why do you stick to the Achara of Brahmajnanis only? There is also other Achara. Brahmajnani is not doing to take into karma. That Achara I have not seen. Achara is common. In Shruti we find Brahmajnani taking to karma is there. Brahmajnani abstaining from karma also is there. That is not a criteria. That is according to Prarabdha karma. So that itself is not a criteria. Then look, other Achara also is there. Brahmajnani is not taking to karma. Why don't you take? Having got the Brahmajnana, no more karma. Etc. So that is it. Tulyam tu darshanam. See what Purvapaksha did was Brahmajnani taking to karma is proof that karma Atmajnana is shesha to karma. Say we have what other way also. Take Anvaya. Darshanam tulyam tu. You gave references to prove that karma is shesha of that. I am giving reference to show that karma is not anga of jnana, is not anga of karma. Because those who have got Brahma jnana, they have relinquished the karma. I am giving those quotations. So that is what is that. Darshanam, Achara Darshanam means conduct of Brahmajnanis. Tulyam, Samanam means, so just as Brahmajnanis have taken to karma, Brahmajnanis have relinquished the karma also, quotations are one and the same. One and the same as take caption. There is demonstration of Achara to show that Brahmajnana is not karma shesha. Sutra 9 end. There is demonstration of Achara to show that Brahmajnana is not karma shesha. Sutra 9 end. Now further, Sutra 4 Tatshrutehe is being now answered.
Yat punaruktam Tatshrutehe iti
Atra
Brahmaha
Yat, whatever, punaha uktam, further told by you, what? Tatshrutehe, fourth sutra. So, the fourth sutra. What is that? Say, whatever karma is done with, whatever karma is done with upasana, that karma becomes more powerful. Yattu vidyaya karvati shraddhaya upanishada tadeva viryavatkaram bhavati. Page 784, Sutra 4, first line of Bhashya. So here also it is quoted now. So for this now we are going to give the answer. Asarvatriki. Asarvatriki means na sarvatriki. This Shruti you have quoted is not applicable everywhere. It is a limited Shruti, na sarvatriki, not public like that. Sarvatriki, public like that, not that way, sir. Means it is sarva vidya vishaya na bhavati. Na sarvatriki means sarva vidya vishaya na bhavati. This, whatever that you are told rule, that karma, upasana, karmas, done with upasanas, enrich the karma phala, is not applicable to all the vidyas. It is only with respect to Udgita Vidya, which was the context there, which Shruti you quoted. So, iti atra brahma asane na sarva vidya vishaya. This Shruti quoted by you is not applicable to all the vidya. Take caption. Vidya and karma are not together always. Vidya and karma are not together always. At times they may be, but they are not always as such. Then, Sutra 5. Samanvarambhana says, Vidya and karma follow the departed person. Understand this Shruti properly. It is not as you said as such. It is not that upasana is always done with karma and upasana is anga of karma. It is not that way. We have not understood the Shruti properly. It is, that means it follows, upasana follows those who are upasakas, karma follows those who are karmis. Not that if one has done both, you will follow us. But that is not a clue that karma should be essentially followed by upasana, or upasana is anga of karma. That is not the rule. Vibhagaha shatavat. Tam vidya karmani samanvaravate itra. You have to do vibhaga. What vibhaga? Do vidya is there, karma is there. Vidya anyam purusham samanvaravate. Vidya anyam purusham. Karma follows one person. Upasana follows other person who have taken to. Those who have taken to upasana, upasana phala will go to him. Those who have taken to karma, karma phala will go to them. Not one and the same individual, unless he has done the both. Unless he has done the both. That is what is told, and it is not a rule that karma is a one which is followed by anga of upasana. So that is how shatavat, example of 100. Give these two persons 100 rupees. Understand the statement properly. Give these two persons, each is not told. Give these two persons 100 rupees means or 50-50. Pratyeka is not told. So like that, it follows different persons and not one and the same person. Shatavat, like give 100 rupees to both. So, caption. If it is said the Vidya and Karma begin their phala, it is so with distinction of Vidya phala and Karma phala. If it is said that the Vidya and Karma begin their phala, it is so with the distinction of Vidya phala and Karma phala. Till end Sutra 11. Sutra 6. Tadvataha vidhana. One who has returned after study at the Acharya Kula, who has taken to Grihastha Ashram, etc., should take to karma. And he is the one who has studied all the Vedas. All Vedas include Vedanta. He has studied Upanishads also. He has got Brahmajnana. In spite of getting Brahmajnana, he has to take to karma. This was the Sutra 6, for which answer is given. Whatever that was told in Sutra 6 by Purapaksha, Tadvataha. Tadvataha means one who is avidya, not avidya. Adhyayana who has already done the Adhyayana and returned home after Samavartana, convocation. So the Vidhana, Shruti enjoins that he should do the karma. To this answer is being given. Adhyayana matravataha, that one who has returned from Acharya Kula, he is only what? Only Vedadhyayana matravataha. Adhyayana matravataha and karma vidhiyate. Adhyayana matravataha karma vidhiyate. Karma is enjoined only to the person who had learned reciting the Vedas and with little meaning of the karma. What does it mean? Na Upanishadatma Jnanavataha. You can add there. Na Upanishadatma Jnanavataha. It doesn't belong to the one who has got Upanishad Jnana. Only Adhyayana Matravataha, that Vidhana, Karma Vidhana, is only for a person who has simple Adhyayana, Vedadhyayana without the Upanishad Jnana, and not meant for the one who has got Upanishad Jnana. Caption: Karma doesn't need Vedanta Jnana, Sutra 12 end. Karma doesn't need Vedanta Jnana, Sutra 12 end. Continuing. Now Niyamacha. What is the Niyama? Sutra 7. Kurvanneveha karmani jidi visheshadagam samaha. See, Shruti has given a mandate that you should live full lifespan doing karma. That is now is being answered. Yadapi uktam, whatever that was told by Purapakshi. Niyamacha Sutra 784 page. Iti atra, to this effect, abhidiyate, answer is being given now. Na avisheshat. Says na avishesha. No sir, it doesn't apply to a jnani, because jnani is not specified there. See, this sutra, this can be Kurvanneveha karmani. It is quoting, he is commenting two ways. First he says, it is not applicable to jnani because jnani is not specifically mentioned. This meaning is given by Ishavasya Bhashya also. Then he says, okay, let us take, because the prakarana is what? Atmajnana. Ishavasya Atmajnana. Even let us take for that. Even then it is a praise. Even this Brahmajnani, even if he does karma all life long, it na lipyate, it doesn't. Like Hatvapi Saiman Loka, na hanti na nibadyate. It's a praise, not that Brahmajnani goes on killing all killing all people. So it is a praise only. So both ways this sutra is answered. Na avishesha, first meaning is this. So what is the Vishesha, specific mention of a jnani is not there. Therefore what is the other statement? It applies to ajnani. Caption: there is no rule that jnani should do karma. Sutra end. There is no rule that jnani should do karma. Sutra 13 end. Now the next sutra gives the alternate meaning of, alternate answer for, a different answer for Niyamacha from different standpoint of the same Niyama. The second line from bottom. Vidvad Vishayatvam Upetya Pariharantaram Ahastutayaha iti sutaye anumatihiva. In Sutra 13, he said it is a general statement pertaining to Ajnani. There is no specific mention of who? Jnana. Now he says, because the prakarana is jnana, Ishava says what? It is a Vedanta prakarana. So therefore, taking for granted, yes, it is meant for who? Jnani. He says it is a stuti. Even after gaining knowledge, he takes to karma whole life long. He doesn't get bound by the karmas. You are not. So that is what is taken. So that is what Pariharantaram Astutaye इति स्तुतये अनुमतिः वा एक अन्वय वा अनुमतिः स्तुतये or it says anumati. Shruti gives the consent. Consent to whom? Brahmajnani. What consent? Come on, do karma. He will do something loka sangra only for the good, or as per the shastra only he will do. So anumati, consent. What for? Stutaye. What stuti? Even if he does karma whole life long, he doesn't get bound. Is it not a stuti? See? Atma Vidya, Brahma Vidya has got such a power, it totally destroys the karma phala. So why is akarta, abhokta? The caption, the reason why karma is told for Jnani, Sutra 14 end. The reason why karma is told for Jnani, Sutra 14 end. Now so far, Sutrakara has refuted all the Purapaksha Sutra. Now he wants to give his own reasons to show that Brahmajnana is not karma. Line 2, Nyananaya. Purapaksha hetun evam unmathya. Unmathya, uprooted. So uprooted. Having refuted Purapaksha Swapakshe hetvantaram. According to Vedanta, why reasons? What are the reasons that Brahmajnana is not karmanga is being given? Dr. Prabha, first line. Svechataha karma sadhana prajadi tyaga lingacha. See, we have what lingas to say that on one's own will, what is given up? Karma sadhana is given. Praja, prajani, etc., wealth, etc. is given up. Tyaga linga. We find Shruti statement that one on one's own will, on one's own accord, not told by others, say give up, etc. No. On one's own accord, praja, dhana, vitta, lokaishana, karma sadhana, all these are given. Ityacha, vidya, swatantra, phala, iti aha, kama, etc. Vidya is swatantra phala. It gives the phala independently. Kamakarena cha eke cha eke kamakarena anvaya dhatu. Cha eke kama cha api cha also eke means kechana, some people. Who are they? Tattvajnanina. Kamakarena means svechaya, on their own will, not told by others. See? What do? Prajadi, they give up. Take to sannyasa. Prajadi, etc., they give up. So what does it mean? Unless it is fruitful, will they? No. Because there are people who know Shastra. Don't think ignorant people, etc., they know Shastra. So therefore, we have nothing to get out of this. Why get hooked onto all these things, etc.? So that take caption. Shruti to show that Jnani has no prayojana by karma. Shruti to show that Jnani has no prayojana by karma. So many Shruti quotations are being given. Continue. Upamardam cha. According to Purapaksha, Atmajnana is required what? For what? To do karmas, you should know Atma, Jiva is different from the body. You should have Deha Vyatirikta Jnana. And how will you get Deha Vyatirikta Jnana? From Veda. And if you don't have Deha Vyatirikta Jnana, you are not Adhikari for what? Karma. That means to do karma, what you have to do? Atmajnana. If Atmajnana is your karma goes. Because all sadhana, sadhaka, phala, all this gets negated in one stroke. Where is your karma? You lose your capital itself only. Keep aside the karma phala. See? Upamardam cha. See, for any kriya anusthana, there are what kriya is there. Karaka, means of doing is there. Phala, vibhaga are there or not. When Atma Jnana is gained, all that is there is Atma, Brahma only. There is kriya, karaka, phala, bheda. Means kriya, karma itself is not possible. That is upamardam. Upamardam is a abhavam, destruction. So, by the vidya prabhava, kriya, karaka, phala, bheda itself will not be there, it will be extinct as such. When the question of gaining this knowledge and then taking to karma. Take caption. Jnana destroys the kriya, karaka, phala, vibhaga, Sutra 16n. Jnana destroys kriya, karaka, vibhaga. ऊर्ध्वरेतस्सु च शब्देहि च. Further reason why Atma Jnana is not karma. Urdhvaretassu yatishu. So this is what Urdhvaretas means brahmachari. Brahma, not simply brahmachari. Those who observe brahmacharya even after grihastha ashrama, those who are given up grihastha ashrama and taken to sannyas. In short, yati means sannyasi, that's all. So they what Brahma Vidya is mainly, exception can be that Janaka is an exception. Mainly Brahma Vidya taken in where sannyasa ashram. First he gets freed from the karma and then takes to sannyas. This Shuddhabodhananda, it is the ashram. Now he says, but sir, from where have you brought this sannyas ashram? Not really parle sannyas ashram. This sannyasa ashram, from where have you brought? Shruti doesn't speak of it. No, shabde. Say shabde, yataha shabde. It is found where? Where in the Shruti. So therefore, so yati ashrama, sannyashrama he is prasiddhi. Say shabdehi because it is well known in the Shruti. Caption. Brahma Vidya is taught to sannyasis. Brahma Vidya is meant for sannyasis only. We will see that afterwards in the next adhikarana. Others cannot get into. No, Brahma Vidya means what we don't mean with Shravana Manana. What is meant is Brahma Nishthatvam. Shravana Manana anybody can take. Brahmacharya. But when it comes to Brahma Nishthatvam, Nishtha, so freedom from karma is necessary, which will be clear in the next adhikarana. Brahma Vidya is taught to sannyasis only, Sutra 17n.